Nowadays, PVD and PECVD equipment cannot meet the requirements for multi-component thin film deposition of three-dimensional structural devices with an aspect ratio more than 10, which poses a great challenge to the next-generation semiconductor manufacturing process. The bidirectional flow with composite discrete pulse feed-in methods of multi-component atomic layer deposition is the first to break through the limitation that precursors are difficult to penetrate into pores, and to achieve uniform conformal coverage on the surface and bottom layers of 3D structures. Simultaneous measurement using multiple discrete wavelengths is applied in order to achieve high-speed anti-vibration instant film thickness measurement. We successfully developed a multi-cell 3D memory multi-component device, manufacturing process, and verification. The difficulties of integrating semiconductor process is also overcome. Our team won the 2023 R&D 100 winner and ITRI's Outstanding Research Award. The technology will be transferred to domestic equipment manufacturers for them to co-produce, and brought into semiconductor manufacturing plants for the future applications. Therefore, the capability of localizing the equipment development will be improved.